Hey everyone, it's JoJo and welcome to another Beyblade vs Turbo battle. Today we have Kerbeus K4 going up against Blizzard X Gaianon G4. We'll have it in the Rail Rush Base Stadium. First, Beyblades will be in normal mode, then I'll switch over to SlingShock mode. First to 5 will be the winner. 3, 2, 1, let it. Gaianon got some really good hits in the beginning, but it just wasn't enough. Kerbeus gets a point. 3, 2, 1, let it. Again, good attacks from Gaianon, but wasn't enough. One more point to Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, let it. And that's 3 in a row for Kerbeus, still spinning strong. 3, 2, 1, let it. Doesn't look good for Blizzard X Gaianon. It came off the rails pretty good, but it just brushed up against Kerbeus. It only needs one more point to win. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, it was trying so hard at the end, but it just does not have the stamina. Your winner is Kerbeus K4. Now let's switch both Beyblades to SlingShock mode. Kerbeus will be a lot more aggressive in this next set of rounds. 3, 2, 1, let it. Ugh. The rubber on the Hunter S driver just acts as brakes. 1 point to Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, let it. And clearly, Kerbeus is dominating in this battle. Gaianon has not even won one round yet. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, and Kerbeus. Oh! Gaianon was already down, but Kerbeus, again, obviously dominating. 3, 2, 1, let it. And just tornado stalling by Kerbeus. Ugh. Wasn't even making contact toward the end. Alright, so I'm going to switch the parts up at this point. Kerbeus will actually be a lot more aggressive with the Hunter S performance tip. Alright. Next set of battles. 3, 2, 1, let it. What? Kerbeus still wins with the rubber tip? Oh my goodness. 3, 2, 1, let it. Gaianon just missing all those attacks. But it is kind of tornado stalling. Oh, finally, Gaianon! Gaianon wins. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, goodness. Okay, oh, Kerbeus is on fire. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh no, oh, I thought for a sec Gaianon was in trouble there, but it still won a round, 1 point. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh no, Kirby is stuck. Oh, this looks like a close one. And another point to Gaianon. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, Kerbeus! 1 point. At least Gaianon is doing slightly better. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, Kerbeus got tripped up there. 3, 2, 1, let it. Again, oh no! Oh, both Beyblades are tripped up there, but Gaianon's finally wins a battle. Alright, so that's where I'm going to end this Beyblade Burst Turbo battle. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I really think that the performance tip has to wear down a little bit more for it to perform well. Alright, so thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time with more Beyblade Burst Turbo. See you soon.